Homemade ice cream with only 2 ingredients. 500 grams double cream. Mix very well. ,400 grams condensed milk. Mix gently with a spoon. Add any fruits. I added blueberries. Put food foil in a form. And then biscuits. I use about 2 packages of biscuits. Add the ice cream. And the rest of the biscuits. Put in the freezer for a few hours or even until the next day. After it is frozen, cut into cubes. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you liked the recipe, please share it with your friends.